Tini chung Maharaja ni Wanchomung, tini chung Yapre Laika, Khumulwng, nini Northeast Small Finance Bank, tini branch opening Kaika, Amchaio Chara Triprao Arta branch Phirokgwi Northeast Small Finance Bank, sini titi ADC by MU signing Kaijak, sini tiprasa lukurongno chung banking service ni bisingte bekarongno chung loan donani bagoi chung process ta khlainai saktarnai piyaba tabok chung kahangke saime ko seba busuk manai busuk janano roi manai amo tabok khana chung thik khaime ko ani ke chung maximum lukurongno chung benefit khainani bagoi chung yapre selaijak chini bobagrani bisingte financial chung bank ni bisingte busuk benefit ma abo chung department wise loan ni ব্যবস্থা busung thinang hamkrai hne chung chaluk khainai hai hne chung agreement khalejak thinang hamkrai ni bisingte ARDD fisheries agriculture sector ro chung jara loan nawoi sakbai thangyapri grak na ni bagoi economically strong na ni bagoi saktharnai rokno chung chubanai ARDD department ni hoite phainai fisheries department ni hoite phainai jara fisheries charge khaiwi sakbai thangni rang puja rang bidino grak khainai ni one sok khain ke fisheries department ni bisingte rimani bisingte phaimanai pon walk talk rimani bisingte sakbai thangno rang bidi mosbot khainai grak khainai khan ke ARDD department chi phainai tei buchini Tripura chung jotno saimani agriculture development ungya hanke chini economic development ya hani bangoi agriculture sector nang moi kutung khainai ni hoiti suru khaiwi bagan khainai ni Amchaio loan nana ni bagai bu chung system khai tongo local ni rukuro o Amchaio ni lukuro tomano samung khaiwi rang ajiwi manai omono basic idea nawi ni chung MU signing khaika tani hinge chung juda bank ro thangkhai ke je borokni system bai bomhai no loan ma bono nawi si ma khai chini oro hinge chung system khaika Northeast Finance Bank by chung system khaika chini Maharaja system khaika nung nini Amchaio nung bomono nawi nung rang pucha ajai manai obo tiprasa lukurok si one chokdi ang omong bai si ani area wo bebosa khaiwi rang pucha ajai manai boni bagai ang rang nangu khanke bono nahawi project sinadi je binoro nini dupkathi chula sinawi binoro bebosa khaimana aro jaga dupkathi khainai je jaga nung moi kuthung khai kokia kaiwi sin nung aro jaga thalai kaiwi sin nung a jaga wo nini ব্যবস্থা chana inke nung bono wan chogoi ne project nawi ma phainai bai rabat ni bagai loan maya bai ni bank tabo nung Tripura o jotoni siu rabat production gobang ma tongo bono bai phalnai Amchaio jodi opportunity tongkhe boni bagai bu oro jaga loan nawi manai piyaba tabok su jora chung define khaimia ko busuk jora no chung loan ronai busuk capacity ronai abo chung tabok phane kaham ke di sonna jaya ko chung financial chini Maharaja phaikhange chini tiprasa lokorona economically chung bahke develop khainai busuk roi manai chini capacity chini additional capacity busuk manai nai je interest free kherona ni bagai chung busuk jona no roima par 7 jon nini par jonal Amchaio chung par besi busuk roima obo chung hisab khainai boni pore chung notification jari khainai je nironi jonal nironi sab jonal asu jonal ARDD scheme ni thinang hamkrani bisingti asung manai nini fisheries ni hoite asung manai agriculture ni hoite asung manai Amchaio apro srai ke jotono sawi robainai icha jora nai singbadi joto lukurona nironi media ni bisingti koina ni musugu chini bobagrano jora robai jadi tani ke chung bobagrani bisingti ne chini Tripura ro mukti manai chung gobang ma tabo kok kaham samani ro chung noi tongbai je Tripura ro bobagrano jotono asalaijak omoni bisingti chung manai hile kang nirno koina ni musuk jau lukurno koina ni musugu omo chung tini yapri semani si जे तिनी चेंग खामाने तिनी नो बेनिफिट नै हाया अमो जों याप्रि से माने छि चिनि लामा कलंमा तंख जों बोसगां माहि लायनाय निरौनि जतनि चुबा जुनाना अमाय
as account clonal system.
I really appreciate that Tripura Tribal Area Development Council has given us this opportunity to have an MOU with them to open branches in the interior areas. And for opening of accounts, you can have all the accounts here like all other banks, all other commercial banks. Though this is named a small finance bank, not a small finance bank, it is actually a regular sort of scheduled commercial bank with a mandate to do financial inclusion, for which the name is small finance. That we have to give finances up to 25 lakhs maximum to the people, for which the license is as named as small finance bank. Otherwise, you will get all the benefits here of our regular scheduled commercial bank. You can open a basic savings account without paying any money by simply giving your KYC papers, that your identification proof as well as your address proof. These are two essential documents you have to hand over. You can open business accounts with as minimum as only 5,000 rupees, where in other banks you have to give minimum 10,000 rupees. And you can apply and avail small loans for all livelihood generation activities, for agriculture, for weaving, for handicraft, for any livelihood generation activity, for piggery, for goatery, for fishery, for anything you can avail the loan from here. And Tripura Development Council has very kindly agreed to give interest subvention to these fresh borrowers also under the district council area. So that also people should avail that benefit. And all other even commercial vehicle loans also you can apply. You can apply for any other loans. That's what is the case. And we'll be happy to serve you here with all sincerity. This is the first branch, and we are opening another 8 branches in the Tripura Development Council area. Yeah, in this area. So we'll be opening another 8 branches. The next branch will be Killa and in Khumulwng. These 2 branches will be opened.